Anna, hi guys, we're here at Amy and Steve's house. We're having a lunch here. There's Philip and
We'll call them cabbage rolls, but
It's a vegetarian cabbage roll.
here is the food that Amy and Steve prepared last night. Wow, so yummy. That's a piece. Chickpeas. So cabbage rolls, that's no meat. Wow. And banana. Fresh banana. So yummy. You know, Amy,
You wanna what?
I appreciate her so much, and Steve, you have a unique food, my gulay. And this one,
Greek food.
Greek, what?
It's Greek food. That's
Oh,
the way.
Greek. That is why I appreciate it so much. Because
it's different.
It's so different and so yummy. Oh,
Bigyan mo
gulay.
kaya yung bottle.
And we have a dessert here.
Yeah,
Is that included a red wine? Wow, social.
it's social. Uy, ganun yung seafood. Or gusto yung water. Ay,
Listen, guys.
it's yummy.
And after this one, we're going to go to their farm. Oh, wow. That's plenty. There's their Joseph and Philip.
Naano data?
I may make for the ring. What do you call this one? Onion ring. Deep cream sauce. Okay. Wait, frankly.
Short na hindi plastic.
We have visitors here.
That's
That's Ontol. Yeah. That's Ontol and Ana. Ontol?
Ontoy.
Ay, Ontol. Pero Ontol maganda ko, oy.
Tol.
Tol lang, sige, Tol.
Yan